Yep.
Hey everybody, it's Mike D'Angelo, aka SI Weather Guy, out here in Eltingville. Hurricane Irene making its way up the East Coast. We've got some heavier bands starting to make their way up the Jersey Shore. There's been reports of tornadoes and heavy rain, stronger winds all the way down the coast up to as close by as Belmar. We're starting to feel some of that coming in here on the South Shore. The rain and wind has definitely been picking up a bit within the past hour or so, and we're looking for more of this as the night goes on. The center of Irene still way down off the Virginia coast, slowly making its way up the coast. It seems to be maintaining its strength, still a Category 1 hurricane, but we're going to see what we're in for. Ultimately, it's going to be an interesting night. The rain definitely, you can see, you can hear it starting to pick up. It's only going to get worse from here. We'll check back in later. Stay safe.